a British import here at Unique, especially in classics. 1996 Jaguar XJS convertible. This particular car owned by the second owner for 20 years approximately. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles at 39,358. 4-liter inline 6 underneath the hood. Of course, nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes, AC, and then all the interior amenities you're going to get on a Jaguar. Topaz metallic, I believe this color would be. You take a look at the grille, front fascia, headlights. Paint shows well on it. Not really full of much of any nicks, dings, or scratches. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock Jaguar wheels that it would have came with back in 1996. And as you can see, nice looking pinstripe combo on there. Straight panels. And again, pretty much free of any nicks, dings, or scratches. Kind of a neutral shale leather interior. Bird's eye maple wood grain highlights. Very stock looking interior also. I haven't really noticed anything that's been modified on this car. 4-speed automatic transmission paired up with that 4-liter inline 6. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as this top, chestnut, cloth, glass rear window, and it is power. Power top functions as it should. You can see still pictures of that top with it up on the car at uniqueclassiccars.com. When you do use the power top, you'll need the power brake on, safety feature. So FYI, pull the brake up, power top will work. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's take a look down the driver's side of this car. Again, really free of any nicks, dings, or scratches. Granted, the age of the car has been driven a little bit. I'm sure you can find something. This is not a northern car. It's titled in the southeast. Has not been driven in inclement weather, winters, snow, anything like that, and it definitely shows. All right, take a look at the interior. Again, kind of a neutral shale. Power seats both sides. Take a look over here, also memory, heated seats, power windows, again that power top, cruise control, AM FM cassette. Take a look at the passenger seat. You can see the seats are in nice shape. Do not show a lot of wear. Obviously, you're going to get a few of the wrinkles in the leather, just like a leather coat or a pair of shoes, but no holes, rips, tears, really much for major wear spots. All right, let's go ahead, check out the exact miles here. Kind of tough, I got to get the steering wheel down for you to see them. Sorry about that. And there you go, 39,358. Let's go ahead and start this up. All right, as far as dash, no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Fuel gauge working, battery gauge charging, oil pressure, and temp gauge will come up with engine temperature. Tachometer working, blower fan works, stereo also working. Oops. Turn it up so you hear it in a second. Here's the box working also. Alright, take a look at the rest of the dash again. Bird's eye maple highlights, it appears. Wood trim pieces. Very nice luxury interior for a 96 model year. Let's look around to the back so you can hear this run. Doesn't sound like anything out of the ordinary. And again, if you want to see that top, again, chestnut in color, cloth, you can see it in the still pictures. I have it up and I have some close-ups of it. So check out the still pictures. Let's go ahead and pause this. Check.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that 4-liter inline 6, capable of 237 horsepower. Torque is where it's at on this one though, 282 pound-feet of torque. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. Again, power brakes, power steering, AC. Slip around to the other side here a second. As you take a peek over there, we'll wrap this video up. Oops, sorry about that there. Good sounding, good running engine. Remember, still pictures will have the top up. It is a power top. Need parking brake on. Safety feature. 1996 Jaguar XJS convertible. 39,000 original miles. Second owner of this car had it for 20 years approximately. Clean Carfax. Confirms miles. No accidents indicated. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.